Hi, welcome to Expert Village. I'm Gretchen Soares with Butterfly Boutique. So the next step is we're going to come to the ironing board and we're going to mark our side seams. And so the sides are the short pieces here. We're going to do a nice 1/2 inch roll and steam it in so it stays nice and firm because we don't want to have to come back and redo that. The steam is going to help set the crease in the fabric, so when you sew it, you don't have to use pins as much. Okay, once you get the first 1/2 inch crease in, you're going to go back to the top. You should always press in the same direction. And when we're pressing, we're actually pressing with the iron, not sliding it. I'll show you in just a second. Now we're going to do a second crease, and it's going to be a 3/4 inch crease. So you're actually wanting to pick the iron up and press down on it, not slide it. And go to the other side and do the same thing, making sure that you have the rolls going both in the same side. So we're going to roll this direction towards me, so on the finished product you don't have one seam in and one seam out.